Welcome to Door County Drone. In this video, we capture the arrival of the Canadian bulk freighter MV Manitoulin arriving in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin to begin Winter Layup 2025-2026 at Fincantieri Bay Shipbuilding. Entering the icy waters of Sturgeon Bay, the MV Manitoulin arrives to begin her winter layup, closing another demanding season on the Great Lakes. Flying the Canadian flag, Manitoulin is a modern self-unloading bulk freighter operated by Lower Lakes Towing, built to move the raw materials that power industry, grain, iron ore, coal, salt, and aggregates across the Great Lakes and the St. Lawrence Seaway. But this vessel's story didn't begin here. Her stern section was originally built in 1991 in Croatia as an ocean-going chemical tanker. More than 2 decades later, that hull was given new life. In 2014, it was sent halfway around the world to China, where it was cut apart and joined with a newly built forebody, purpose-designed for Great Lakes service. Christened Manitoulin in 2015, she returned home via the Panama Canal and entered service later that year, becoming the largest river-class self-unloading vessel on the lakes, and the first new ship of her kind to enter service in over 40 years. Season after season, Manitoulin has worked the inland seas, unloading cargo with her own onboard conveyor system, often without the need for shore-based equipment, a hallmark of modern laker efficiency. And like all Great Lakes vessels, her career has not been without challenge. On October 2nd, while transiting the St. Lawrence River near Cardinal, Ontario, Manitoulin ran aground. She sustained hull damage and took on water, but remained stable, proceeding under her own power for inspection before returning to service, a testament to both her design and her crew. In winter, the lakes test ships even further. In January 2025, Manitoulin became beset in heavy ice on Lake Erie near Buffalo, requiring coordinated icebreaking efforts by both U.S. and Canadian Coast Guard vessels, a reminder that Great Lakes navigation remains as unforgiving as it is vital. Now, as she eases into her berth at Fincantieri Bay Shipbuilding, MV Manitoulin joins the winter fleet, resting, undergoing inspection and maintenance, and preparing for another season ahead. From ocean-built steel to inland seas, from hard-working summer voyages to winter quiet, Manitoulin stands as a modern link in the long tradition of Great Lakes shipping. We hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.